years old. He moved back in with me about a year ago. After Thanksgiving, he began having trouble with his urine, looking like someone had poured coffee into it, just in the last couple of months. He didn't tell me what was going on until almost Christmas, because he kept thinking it would clear up. Once he let me know that he was having problems, I got him in to see our family doctor, who in turn has gotten him in to see a specialist. Each of them have ordered battery blood tests, and he's had a sonogram and a CT scan. Thank God one thing we ruled out was that he does not have cancer, but we don't know what it is yet. Because of the Affordable Health Care Plan, I was able to add him back onto my insurance when our enrollment came up this year. We had just gone through our annual enrollment, so all the work he had done was picked up by self-insured Fortune 50 company instead of the taxpayers in Missouri. His coverage began January 1st. We both feel much better about about hopes of finding his ailment and getting him the help he needs, with him being on a decent insurance plan now. If you take this away, you're taking this away from me and my son and thousands of other individuals in the state of Missouri alone. So please stop playing politics with our healthcare. Thank you.
Appreciate your testimony. Thank you, sir. Do you have any questions for our witness? Seeing none.